Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this two-piece fabric headband. If this is something you're interested in learning how to make, keep on watching. For this tutorial I'm going to be needing interfacing, aka gum stain, a pair of scissors, 16 inches of wide elastic, (37 inches by 3 inches wide band, and then two exactly the same size of two different fabrics, any fabric of choice that you want to use. This one was 20 inch by 8 inch for both fabrics. Then a safety pin. You want to go ahead and iron out both fabrics, then iron on the interfacing onto the wrong side of the fabric. After ironing on the interfacing, you want to go ahead and cut out each individual piece and fold. Then you want to go ahead and sew this straight edge. After sewing, this is what it looks like. Then you want to go ahead and open it up and sew both sides. Remember to leave an opening when you are sewing the straight edge so you can turn the right sides out. After turning out the whole piece, you want to go ahead and give it a nice press. Once you're done, you want to set these pieces aside and take the straight band, fold right sides facing each other and sew 1/4 inch all the way along the edge, leaving 1 inch gap on both sides. With the help of a safety pin, you're going to turn it outwards. Now you want to take both edges and sew them, placing right sides facing each other. Go ahead and iron out the band. Now using a safety pin, you are going to take the elastic through the casing. Go ahead and stitch it down just like I'm seeing here and close off the opening. Now you want to go ahead and cut out a 5 inch by 3 inch piece. Fold right sides facing each other and sew along the edge. Now you want to pleat these boxes to create a bow. Now we're going to use this little piece of fabric to secure the bow at the middle. To secure it in place, I'm using a hand needle and thread. After I was done securing, I twisted one fabric to the other side to create this effect, then stitch along the edges. Now we have a mixed kind of effect. Now you're going to go ahead and cut off any excess fabric and iron out the bow. Now you're going to attach the bow to the headband. And voila, that is the end of this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. This is how it turned out. It looks so pretty. In the previous video, we created earrings, hoopy earrings, which goes with this headband, just like you're seeing here in this picture. So in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a milkmaid dress, the one she was wearing, with this piece.